Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube tech guy. Hey guys, so today we are bringing you some amazing cases from X-Doria. Now, these are some cases for the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. I'll show you the S9 ones, and the S Plus ones we're gonna put right on this beautiful phone here. Okay, so first of all, they have two different lineups that we got, and that is the Defense Luxe and the Defense Shield. Now the Shield I kind of like, so that way you get to see the color still of the phone and it really stands out. However, the Luxe has that good protection on the back, so we're gonna check it out. The thing I love about these is all of them are 10 feet drop resistance. That's really good. Normally we get 6 feet for the good looking quality style. So let's go ahead and check them out. So first of all, let's go ahead and put on the Luxe and then go down this way. So this is a nice purple, one my wife would fall in love with. Some silicone gel. And nice like pink accent as well. Let's go ahead and put this on here. And there you go. That's how the phone looks. How thick it is. You still have some protection in the front. And definitely feels good. Feels durable. It adds a little bit of weight, but the buttons feel awesome. Sound quality looks good on this curvature, which I kind of like. So it actually makes the down-firing speaker go frontward, which is really rare in cases, but I love when they do it, so that's awesome. Headphone jack should be for good basic headphone jacks, but the thicker ones might have a problem. The bottom though is great for the Type-C. And yeah, just a solid quality, like the grip that this offers. So really good on the first one, which was the Defense Luxe case for it. Okay, now the new one is gonna be the Defense Shield. So let's go ahead and try that one out. Now this one is definitely going to have that transparency, so get to see which color you got. And since I got the blue, kind of like that, just because that way I get to show off the color of the phone. If you get a purple or a blue, I feel like you got it to show off the color, so you're gonna want something like this. Wow, that is nifty. I was wondering if the photo would really look like that, and it does. So that is interesting. Okay, and does it have a film on here? I will have to see that later if it has a film, although it does look like it has something here. I will have to check that out, but let's go ahead and just put it on and see how it looks. First, let's get those fingerprints off. This, of course, is the best of both worlds, because that way you get to show it off without getting fingerprints on your phone. And there we go. So really nice the way it kind of shows. I don't know about this color. Let me know what you guys think, guys. I think this is definitely more for my wife. It's like a shiny purple. So I think she would really love that, but it's kind of a nifty color effect. Now this one seems about the same in terms of durability. I don't think there's a difference in terms of the lip going forward. Buttons still feel really good. Really good feedback, and yeah, again, I like how it shows off the case. Now let's try the black one, as that one is going to be, again, a bit more matte, I probably would assume. And again, this case does the front-firing speaker. That is a highlight feature. I definitely do not see durable cases doing that, so that's really special that they do. Really like that feature. Not something you see in most cases around this price range and around this kind of quality. So let's go ahead and check out this one. Now I will say it is kind of hard to open the box without actually ripping it on the bottom. So just know that, although that's only one time thing. So I think this one might be the one I go with personally. Just like that simplicity of it. Again, wipe it all down. Gotta make sure there's no fingerprints. turn off that Bixby button when it goes off. And there you go. Again, I really like that the front firing speaker, or basically now you have two front firing speakers. That's a really cool feature of this case. All right, and then I'll just show you guys the other two, namely this one. This one's just gonna be in red, so you can kind of see it, just how it is. It's gonna be red instead. And then this one, I really like this because it's carbon fiber. X-Doria, you know, if you have some other carbon fibers for the S9 Plus, I'd really appreciate that. But yeah, awesome, really cool looks and styles. Let me know which one is your favorite, guys. Again, I really don't see front firing speakers going to the front very often, so I do like that feature. It's definitely a standout feature of it. The other thing is, X-Doria and I are going to give you guys a nice discount. So if you use the tech guy link down below and put in that code, you can actually get 20% off of these cases. So hopefully you guys like that. Get some discounts on these nice, beautiful cases for your S9 or S9 Plus. And if you get them, let me know what you think and show me some photos. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.